Students, welcome to your and our beautiful channel Maths Nation. In my last class, I have already taught you that properties of perfect square. Properties of perfect squares. Today, we will read about square root of a perfect square by long division method. In my last class, I have already told you that how can you find out square root of a number by prime factorizations. Today we read about square root of a perfect square by long division method. Look at here. Suppose 784 is a number. We have to find out the square root by long division method. At first make it pair. Make it pair from right sides. Here single number, then put it 0 at left side and make it pair. And choose a number. You suppose 2 2 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 3 ja 9, which is greater than 7. It is not possible. 2 2 ja 4. Yes, we can put this. Then 3. Then the number comes below with the pair 384. Then the second stage, the 2 is added with this 2. Then what we get? 4. Then next choose another number which you put here and also here. And same number. Suppose 45 5 ja. 2 25. No, 384 is more. Then 46 6 ja. 6 276. No. 47 7 ja. 7 7 ja. 49 289. No. 48 8 ja. 8 8 ja 64. 32. Look at it. 36 38. Yes, this is. Then put 48 8 here. Then we get 384. The remainder is 0. What is the square root of 784? The square root of 784 is 28. This is the method of long divisions. Then take another number. 5 3 2 9. Find out the square root by long divisions. Then make it at first, make it pair. Make it pair. Then think per 53. 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36, 7 7 ja 49, 8 8 ja 64, which is greater than 53. Then put 7 7 ja 49. Then we get 4. Then come down the number 29. Always make it pair, and when you take, the number should come down with pair. Then add 7 here. Then this is 14. Then choose a number. You have to put here and here the same number. 142 2 ja 284. Choose more. 143 3 ja. This is 3 3 ja 9. 4 3 ja 12. This is 4. 143 3 ja is 429. Then we get remainder 0. Then what is the square root of 5329? The square root of 5329 is 73. Is 73. Then next, solve some next another example. Suppose take a big number. When you get a big number, it is difficult for you to use prime factorizations. Then it is more easier to use the long division method and find out its square root. 66049. This is a bigger number. Then at first make it pair from right side. This. Then put here. Then think for the number 6. 2 2 ja 4. 3 3 ja 9. Greater than 6? No. 2 2 ja 4. then 2, then the come down the number in pair, 260 come down, then 2 plus 2, 4, then think a number 45, 5 ja, 225, 225, then look at here, 46, 6 ja, 6 6 ja, 36, 276, which is greater than 260, then think 45, 5 ja, 225, then this is 35, then come down the number in pair, 49 come down, then next this 5 is added with this, then you get 50, then choose a number which is put here and here, same number, 35, 49, very easy, put 7 here, put 7 here, you get 507, 7 ja, 49, then 7 5 ja, 35, you get 3549, then 7 ja, 3549, the remainder 0, then what is the square root of 66049? The square root is 257. Okay. Then take some word problems and the use of the square root here, and by using long divisions you can find out. What least number must be subtracted from 7250? What least number must be subtracted from 7250 to make it a perfect square? What least number should be subtracted from 7250 to make it a perfect square? At first find out the square root by long divisions. Look at here. 7250 is not a perfect square number. You have to find out which number should be subtracted from it to make it a perfect square. At first make it pair. Then you think about 72. 8 8 ja 64. 8 8 ja 64. Then this is 8. Then I have already told you, come down the number with pair. Then 8 is added here. You get 16. Think about 850. What number should be put here? 165 5 ja is 825. What is the remainder? The remainder is 25. If we subtract 25 from the 7250, 7250, subtract 25 from 7250, we get 7225. This is a perfect square whose square root is 85. When we subtract 25 from 7250, we get the number 7225, which is a perfect square whose square root is 25. Look at here. 8 8 ja 64. This is 8 25. 8 plus 8 16. 16 5 ja 165 5 ja 8 25. You get the remainder 0. Then what is the square root? The square root is 85, means the square root of 7225 is 85. Then what number should be subtracted? The remainder 25 should be subtracted. Next, choose another question. Students, you please do your worksheet properly, and if you find any difficulty, any doubt, you may ask me in the comment box. Take another example. Find the greatest number of a 4-digit number which is a perfect square. At first think, what is the greatest 4-digit number? The greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Then try to find out the square root by long division method. Which number should be? Find the greatest 4-digit number which is perfect squares. At first 9999 is not a perfect square. We have to find out the greatest 4-digit number. Try to find out by long division method the square root. Then we get a remainder. When the remainder gets subtracted from this number, we get the number which is perfect square. Let us do. Think about 99. 9 9 ja 81. Then you get 18. Then come down the number in pair. Then add 9 9 18. Then put 9 ja here 9 ja. Then what we get? We get this. Then what is the remainder? The remainder is 198. When 198 is subtracted from 9999, we get the number 9801, which is a perfect square whose square root is 99. 9801 is the greatest 4-digit number, which is a perfect square whose square root is 99. Understand? Then next, what list number must be added to? In our previous example, we read what number should be subtracted. Here the question is asked what number should be added to make 5607 a perfect square. Here what number should be subtracted? Very easy, subtract the remainder and you get a perfect square. But here there is some twist in the question. What number must be added? Then let us do. At first make it pair and try to find out its square root. 7 7 ja 49. You get 707. I have told you before that the number should come down in pair. Then this, then put 144. 4 ja you get 576. 144 4 ja you get 576. Then what we get? We get 231. Look at here. 10 no 6 131. What do we get? We get 131. Suppose 145 5 ja, this is 725, which is greater than 707. Then this is the remainder 131. Means the 5607 is a number which is greater than square of 74 and less than square of 75. It is the between number between square of 74 and square of 75. Here the question is asked which number must be added. At first find out the square of 75. 75 square is 5625. Then what number should be added to 5607 to make it 5625? Then subtract 5625 minus 5607. What we get? We get 18. If 18 is added to 5607, then we get 5625, which is a perfect square and whose square root is 75. Then what number should be, list number should be added? 18 should be added to 5607 to make it a perfect square, the perfect whose square root is 75. When the question is asked to which list number should be subtracted to make it a perfect square, you just subtract the remainder and you get the number is a perfect square. But in this question is asked to find out the least number which should be added to make it a perfect square. Then you find out the number is between 74 square and 75 square. Then find out the square of 75, then subtract it from this, then you find 18. 18 is the least number which is added to the given number to make it a perfect square. Then another question. Find the least number of 6 digit which is a perfect square. Least number, there you find out the least 4 digit number, and here is something twist. Look at here. What? Find the least 6 digit number which is perfect square. At first, what is the least 6 digit number? This is the least 6 digit number. Then to find out its square root. Then this, look at here. Then step by step, you know very well what step. But what you get? 3, 7, 5, 6. What is the remainder? 144. If you subtract the remainder simply from the given 6 digit number, you get a perfect square. But the number is not a 6 digit number. The number will change to a 5 digit number. But the question is asked, find the least 6 digit number which is a perfect square. Then what we will do? This 6 digit number is between the square of 316 and 317 square. Then find out the square of 317. Then what is the square of 317? This is 100489. This is the least 6 digit number which is a perfect square. Then when we added 489 to this number, we get this. This is the least 6 digit number which is a perfect square. Today this much. Like, share and subscribe the channel and turn the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. In my next class, we will read about square root in decimal form. Thank you, students.